What's up, gang? You know who it is. Just Kwani. And I'm here with my lovely grandmother. Where did my grandmother go? Grandma. My grandmother. And she's cooking. Let me show y'all what she's cooking. That good old chicken. My family's from Trinidad and Tobago. If y'all didn't already know, I'm Caribbean. Yes, Caribbean girl. Look at this. Look. What's this, Mom?
This is for the chow mein.
Chow mein, so it's cabbage, carrot,
garlic, onions, and green peppers.
Period. Period. So we're cooking for the people. I don't know who we cooking for, but we cooking for the people.
It's the catering order.
They're catering. Cater for me. Cater for. Can you cater for me? Can you cater for me?
Oh, yeah.
They're catering for me. Look at this. Look at. But as soon as, you know, oh my God, y'all. So I'm addicted, right? My grandma makes rice. And when, you see this? You see it? You guys see it? Oh, look. My camera.
Pop that.
That's how you know it's hot. That's how you know it's hot. Oh my God. Look, y'all look. It's more meat. It's more meat. My grandma got the meats. My grandma. Undefeated. Meat goddess. I'm gonna get back to y'all once you know everything done. Is that corn? Yeah. I guess I picked a good day to come through.
Mama, cut up some onions and I'm gonna do this corn, please.
Freaking out. But anyways, after everything get all mixed up and my mom is chopping. Make sure the fingers not in the way. Look, that's where I get my cutting from, for real. Chipotle ain't got nothing on my mother. But anyways, we'll be back after everything simmers down, and my mom's making me potato pie, so I'm gonna show y'all that too. But we'll be back. All right, be back. Y'all, look, my grandma said she wasn't done. Jeez, look at, oh my goodness. Oh, see what I said last time, y'all. The steam, that's how you know it's hot. The pot boil over, Grandma. Oh my goodness, ground beef in the making. What else you gotta make? And cabbage. Y'all, I'm having a fat girl moment. Having a fat girl moment. Stop. God is good. Look, pot, cabbage. Got some peppers.
Move.
Y'all, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. My grandma be chefing it up. It smells good. Hungry. But yeah, I'm ready to eat. Mama, you wanna say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Mommy. Yes, okay. I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. Ooh, I see the peppers. And the, oh my goodness. Grandma, go ahead and mix. Let's see this. Grandma got that wrist work. The carrot, green pepper, yellow pepper, no red peppers. Oh, because of the tomatoes and stuff. Oh, good.
I can leave it put on a little bit, but not much. But it has every ingredient in it for it to taste good.
Yeah. So one thing, let me let y'all know. So my grandmother, she'll season and then show y'all. She's not gonna season because she don't want y'all to know her ingredients. Cookbook in the making.
Alright.
Cookbook in the making. And then y'all know.
This is corn that's finished.
Finished, because it's simmered down.
And it's seasoned.
Oh, we could see. We could
Corn that's
see. Oh, see what I tell y'all about that fold. Oh, and this stew chicken.
To taste too.
If y'all need a Caribbean caterer, just hit me up on Instagram, Snapchat, all that good stuff. Y'all got my information. Just hit me up. I'll let y'all know prices. Y'all got some inquiries, I got y'all. I mean, we ain't done with this video because they ain't finished making my potato pie yet. Take some my potato pie. But we're gonna be back because I just gotta show y'all. I gotta show y'all this goodness. This good look. Anyways, before I was rudely interrupted, because he just likes to interrupt. He just interrupts. But y'all already know. Let me know she catering or something. Because I need to know that, you know, they not gonna die. I know they not gonna die. Gotta look at them ingredients, you know, so I can learn how to make it. But we gonna be back. We gonna be back. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. This is my youngest baby. Cheese. That was my youngest baby. Got to love the babies. My babies. She wrote that.
I love my mama. I love my mama.
Lighten.
Jerry? What's it? Is that my mother cooking? My booty is sticking out. That's bad.
It's like a little side salad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy got the kitchen.
That's the cabbage?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hey.
Oh. How many plates you making?
I'm making maybe 8 in this one. And the spaghetti I might make 8 too, if I feel like.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry.
Almost fell.
Oh.
What is that? A turkey leg? Oh my God.
This is
it's the gravy for me. Is it AVRYLS Cafe or AVRYLS Kitchen? Which one is it, Grandma? AVRYLS Kitchen. Ooh.
Okay, so I put a little
Baby.
a little bit of
Y'all, he's always in my way.
Girl.
when I do mine, you know. Yeah,
What's that? Pumpkin?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Yeah, because some people like it with that.
Okay.
You know? So,
Finishing touches. Period.
yes.
Period. Boxes. Get y'all boxes. AVRYLS Kitchen. AVRYLS Kitchen. Place y'all orders. Let us know. Curry chicken, jerk chicken, stewed chicken, barbecue chicken, pasta, stew pasta, regular pasta, steak, macaroni and cheese. You name it, we make it.
She makes peas and rice.
Peas and rice. Let me tell y'all something. I seen this lady put peas in a microwave and mix it in some rice. That is not the way you do it. Not the way you do it. So
You can get some authentic peas and rice with steamed cabbage and pineapple peach chicken.
I hope y'all heard that. Pineapple and peach chicken. Whatever y'all want, we will cater to you. Let me cater to you, cause baby, this is your day. Okay, just so y'all know, we do it all. Okay, coming over to my mom. What's this for?
This is the potato, which is called aloo. And this is for the potato pie. I then take this and I mix it with the ground beef, which is coming next.
Right.
Mix it all together and you'll see the next steps soon.
And then we putting this in it.
Yes.
Yes. Y'all. Let me just let y'all know something. My family is the GOAT. It's definitely the GOAT. And will forever be the GOAT. I don't know about, you know, everybody else, but my family is definitely the GOAT. Be right back. I wonder what it is. Oh, that's hot. Okay. So, these are, I said I wonder what it is. These are the potato pies. Look. It's potatoes and ground beef, green peppers, onions. Let me see. Hold the camera like that. This is what it looked like. So it's ground beef and potatoes, green pepper, onions, and then different seasonings. Y'all, we about to crush. Is this ready? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, now I don't think it's ready. Alright. I'm about to eat amazingly amazing. And y'all already know what it is. You feels me. Step outside real quick. So yeah, y'all. It's amazing. And I just wanted to take you guys to my grandmother's house. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that post notification bell. Y'all, come on. The rest of 2021 is gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit because we're gonna come back with the videos. Y'all gonna meet my family. I'm so upset about this. I don't even know where that came from. But we just gonna keep recording, keep doing what we doing. And yeah, so stay blessed, not stressed. I love you guys and see you guys later. Bye.